Today we're breaking down 5 crucial real estate terms that every buyer and seller should know, whether you're thinking about buying your first home in Chicago or perhaps consider selling your property. Understanding these terms will help you navigate the process with confidence. Hi, my name is Hugo. I'm with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and we also serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. Let's dive in. The first term is appraisal. This is a valuation determine the worth of your property. An appraiser who is licensed professional will inspect the property and compare it to similar properties in the area. This is crucial for both buyers and sellers because it affects how much a lender will loan to the buyer and ensures that the price is fair. Next, we have closing costs. These are fees associated with finalizing a real estate transaction. For buyers, this might include loan origination fees, title insurance, and appraisal fees. For sellers, it might be paying realtor commissions and title transfer fees. Knowing these costs upfront can help you budget effectively. Moving on, contingencies. These are conditions listed in a real estate contract that must be met for the transaction to proceed. Common contingencies include home inspections, financing, appraisals. Both buyers and sellers need to understand these to manage their risk and expectations during negotiations. Number 4 is equity. Equity is the difference between the market value of your property and what you owe on your mortgage. For sellers, more equity can mean more profit when selling the home. For buyers, building equity over time is a key financial benefit of home ownership. And last but not least is the pre-approval. For buyers, getting pre-approved for a mortgage shows sellers that you are serious and capable of purchasing their home. It involves a preliminary check by a professional lender to see how much they will lend you based on your credit and financial status. So understanding these terms not only smooths your real estate transactions, but also empowers you to make informed decisions whether you're buying or selling in Lakeview, Chicago, the Chicagoland area, or anywhere else. Knowledge is the best asset. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate insights. For more information about real estate, contact me 773-550-4846.